My name's Liz Carr. I'm from the California Faculty Association. I want to just say that we represent, as you know, all of the professors in the CSU system, the largest public education system in the United States higher education system. And we totally recognize that any attack on any public employee is an attack on all of us. We're here to support all of you. Keep up the good fight. We're also keeping up a good fight to ensure that our kids get educated in the state, because we're being attacked also, as you know. So with solidarity for all of you, and just want to know that all of the higher education people support all the public unions in the United States.
Okay, so we just had a very good suggestion, which was made actually earlier, and should be implemented, which is for the speakers to have the speakers stand on the podium. So let's do that.